Hi everyone, here I am at the Dollar Tree and I thought we'd take a look at their books. Haven't done this in a while, so let's see what they have. Okay, so along the top here we have the Holy Bibles, and there they are in the little ones. These make some nice gifts. Let's see. Red letter edition, New Testament. Okay, so they have them in that white. I like those white ones. And I'm pretty sure in the black. And then you have these. These are the smaller books that are a set, and they're called 9 Fruits of the Spirit. I hope I don't knock this stuff down, but I'll try and show you what I can. Let's see. A Warning, Anonymous. Okay, this is Merciless, Last Rites. I've never seen that before. Okay, and then this is so cute. This says cake emoji. Oh my goodness, I gotta see what that looks like. Okay, so we have some of these little pamphlet ones that call breakfast favorites. And okay, that's not new, Teddy and Me. This one is Practice Makes Perfect. And this one is One Meal Skillets. Those are the little pamphlet ones. And this one is Pimp Your Pumps. That's new. That's cute. Okay. Then they have these. These are like card books. I think these are adorable too. Okay, so this is one of the 9 Fruits of the Spirit books I was just showing you. This one is on goodness. These make really nice gift baskets, to put in a gift basket. And then I think these here are Frozen. Okay, A Sister's Connection. Isn't that nice? By Disney. So they have, looks like they have, let me see if these are all the same. Yeah, A Sister's Connection, so that's all the same. That's what I see there. So now if we come over here, this says Angel Thieves, A Reckoning. Okay. Diasters. I'm sorry, I may not be saying that right. Okay, and this is The Strange Fascination of Noah. Hypnotic. Okay, so these, it seems like they're mixing the little kids books with the adult books. So these are like bedtime stories. In the Bible, bedtime stories and songs. And this is Handcraft. This one here is The History of Michael Belanger, or Jane Doe. Okay, so then these here, let me see, She Loves You, The Truth Beneath the Lies, Julian Michaels, and this one says Mirage, The Brilliant Death. These are all new, guys. And Fire Blood. Then back here we have some smaller books. I don't know if I can pull them all out because all of these are all, they're not situated properly, so I don't want them to fall. Let's see. Ashling. Okay. So that one says Natural Wonders. And these are recipe books. So this one says Breakfast Keto, Summer Cooking, Chicken, Breakfast. I don't want to knock those over, so let's come down here. So this one here says Red Copper Skillet Cooking. And some more of these little books. Like I said, those are kids' books. So this one is Bridget Jones' Baby, The Diaries. This one is Popular. Mirage. Playing Hurt. I think that's not new. Okay, Death of Rex. Hongo. The End of Loneliness. Life Lessons. This is the Rose Hotel. There's only one or two that was here that I saw here before. Most of these are all new. So this is MacArthur Spies, Devotions, The Gatekeepers, Izzy and Tristan. And back there we have some more Sesame Street school books. This is Grace After Henry, Vacation Solar, The Storied City, Joseph Finder, The Switch, it's a novel, and The Gatekeeper. So here we have, so as you can see, okay, so I'll try to show you what I can. Okay, The Way of the Reaper. I'm not sure what that word is that's covered this. I'm not sure what that says. It's a novel. The Border Child. This is Spanish. Apunta a las estrellas. I hope I said that right. Ben Costa and Jones Parks. Rickety Stitch. And this is Victoria and Albert. Okay. Okay, so this is Kevin Durant. Let me see what this is over here. Fins. Okay. Pixie Piper. Lady in Red. Let's see. Okay, then we have that one over there. Annie B. Made for TV. Joe Biden. Okay, so let's see. This one over here says The Sound of Things Falling. Juan Gabriel Vasquez. New Skies. Listen, easy for you to say, question and answer for teens living with chronic illness or disability. That looks like a good book. And Grace After Henry. Okay, so now over here usually they have all of their coloring books, their activity books. They all seem to be all together here. They also have bedtime stories, crossword puzzles, all of that stuff, and word finds. And their coloring books, like I said. The crayons are along the bottom. And that's what we have here in this small section. They really packed that up really good. Over here we have the large word crossword puzzles and even your Bible stories, the nativity book right there in the word finds. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their books and their activity stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.